I know you launched the open source platform LakeFS. Was that inspired by this Lego concept or something else?
So it was inspired by the problems that we had at SimilarWeb when we were managing petabytes of data. And we felt that we would like to have the security of developing an application when we develop an application that is based on huge amounts of data. And we were looking for ways to create CI and CD and testable data. And there were no tools around. And this is where Oz, my co-founder, actually came with the idea of we need something conceptual here. Like code has Git, data should have Git for the object storage and the data that is within it. So that was the inspiration. But from a strategic perspective, we thought two things. One, that this is not a winner takes all market. So I don't believe that tomorrow morning, one player is just going to provide all the needs for everyone, and that would be the end of it. I think it just continues to diverge, and it would take a very long time before it's going to converge. And I'm not sure what it's going to converge to.
Okay.
So being open source, having an open API, and being able to play very nicely with everything is a key to succeeding in this field. And this is why we chose to provide LakeFS as open source. And of course, as data engineers ourselves, with a very large data engineering team at SimilarWeb, we knew that it's a basic expectation of the engineers because this ecosystem is based on open source, right? Hadoop,
Right.
and then Kafka, the Hive Metastore, and later on other tools, right? Airflow, for example. So the building blocks are all open source. Data engineers would have a basic expectation to try something with open source. Maybe later they will take a managed service, but the proof would have to be that it's open source, and again, that it plays very nicely with everything around, especially our open source, LakeFS, that is,
Right.
should integrate with everything because it empowers everything with those Git-like operations that we haven't talked about yet.